My name is Prashar Kumar. I'm studying in 4F in Abu Dhabi Indian School. Today I'm gonna show you what is a graphics card. Well, computers and laptops are used for working purpose like gaming, streaming, and other, or even doing office work. But you also played games on these computers. But some computers cannot able to cannot handle it because it depends on their graphics cards. Graphics card is a card which helps you for gaming, like GTX and RTX. GTX gives you for high frame rate for so you could play much better without any lag, while RTX gives like a realistic shaders which makes the game look more real. There is a cooling fan type of shape of which is there is a graphics card which is shaped like a cooling fan, but it helps you for gaming. Well, inside of that, this graphics card, there is a PCB and and the main processing unit, the graphics processing unit. This is located in all type of graphics card. Also processor unit can be spelled in short from GPU, much similar like CPU. CPUs they are cores, but in GPUs there is a lot of cores. So you may thinking, what about just use a GPU? Well, GPUs are kind of dumber than CPUs. CPUs are intelligent, and CPUs are also used for artificial intelligence, while GPUs are for gaming. Just like I told you. So, if your computer can't handle the game which you are playing, then otherwise do not play the game, or otherwise buy a gaming laptop, then play the game in, so you will get much better experience and no overheating. And GPUs can also overheat much faster, so that's why they add 2 or 4 fans, two on the sides, two at the other sides, or one at the side and other at the other side, because GPUs can overheat a lot faster. So there needs to be good fans, so it could cause the GPU to not overheat. So GPU can do the same work, but CPU cannot. CPU can do things differently than GPUs. GPUs can do things same. And also there is a lot of advanced games which has high graphics, and also may have a lot of physics bodies, which means that there will be a lot of lag. So a gaming laptop is a perfect to handle that. There are different type of companies who make a gaming laptops, just like they make their own normal laptops. Some gaming laptops may have GPUs, but some gaming laptops have a CPU and GPU. So like they make the Dell G15. Okay, it has a GPU. While other laptops may also have, other gaming laptops may have their own CPU and GPUs, but there is also different type of companies like Nvidia and GeForce and other type of companies which they manufacture graphics cards. There is two type of there is also other companies like Intel, GeForce, Nvidia, and other type of companies. Here are the three examples I know about. Here are the three examples. Here are the three things I know. What the company made graphics cards, like Intel, GeForce, or even Nvidia. Like, and also other types of. There's many companies who make these. They also attach it to the computer, so you will have you can play games, but for not for normal laptops. They have a graphics card which has very less gigabytes, which means less gigabytes means, yeah, more frame rate issues. And without graphics cards you can't play games, because game requires FPS, so it can run. Like, if the FPS low, then it may cause lag, but if the FPS is high, then you may have the best gaming experience. And I also recommend you, when you are building a PC or a laptop, then choose the best graphics card, because if you want to have the best gaming experience, then you must buy the best graphics card. If you don't have the money, then choose the other graphics card which is which is little less better, which means it could cause some, yeah, it could not give you the best experience, but yeah, if you need the best experience, buy the best graphics card. If you don't want the best experience, then buy other type of random graphics cards. The bad, you do not want to, but you should not buy the bad ones, because they're not good at gaming. So bye.